Evening, everyone. I'm going to solve with you ICT past paper, variant February-March 2024. Let's start with the first task, which is evidence file. Open the evidence file, which is evidence. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. So let's open the source files. I already created folder over the desktop. I named it working area. Inside this working area, I will set all of my files. Let's open the source files and open the evidence file. Okay, they asked me to add my name, center number, candidate number. So from the insert tab, go to the header. Here I will set my name, followed by your center number. And candidate number. Okay, save the file in your working area as evidence, followed by your candidate number. As example, evidence 9999. You have to set your the evidence word after it. You have to set your candidate number. So file save as in your working area. Okay, change the type to be word and set here evidence, then your candidate number. Here I'm going to set 9999 as I don't have candidate number and save. Now, next, they asked me to open the file which is gaming, the Word file, and we need like to add some or kind of formatting to it. The page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with 2.5 centimeters. Don't change anything. So we don't need like to change the margins or the orientation. Two paragraph styles have already been created. Don't make any changes. Save the document in your working area and the name of the file. Market, GA market. So copy and go to the file. This is the file. File, save as, browse in your working area. Okay. Okay. Don't forget to change the type to be Word. Okay. And the name is, just change the name, GA market and save. The most important point to change the type to be Word. So the extension is DOCX. Save. Okay. Make sure it's saved in the format. This is what I said. Don't forget to change it to be Word file. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence of the type. So you have to go to the working area here. And they want to check that you save it as the name of the file as GA market and the extension is DOCX as Word document and the type is Word document. So I need to open the snipping tool. Snipping tool. Okay. I will take screenshot. They want to check the type, the name of the file. Where you have to save it in the first evidence. And that's it. Now, place in the header of the file the text gaming review by, followed by space and your name, comma, center number and candidate number, right aligned. I'm going to save this. Okay, and it is right aligned in the header. Okay, so go to insert tab, go to the header, choose this option. I don't want anything in the left, in the center. Here I have to set gaming review by space, then your name, okay, comma, center number, and candidate number. Right aligned. Okay, place in the footer automated page numbers. You can go to the insert tab and to the footer, or here from the same tab, design tab, go to the footer, choose the second one. Okay, which is also in the right side. So delete here everything. Here you have to set the cursor and then go to the page number, current position, and choose the style that you want. Okay. And that's it. We finish from the header and footer. Both of them in the right side, right aligned and right aligned. We didn't make sure that all the alignment made the page margins, no other text or placeholders are included in the header or footer. Everything is fine. Now go to the step number 3. Select the subheading games and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending with the same hardware. So I need the subheading games from here and down till the last paragraph or till the paragraph which ends by hardware and performance. Here, hardware and performance, till here. Not from the beginning and not to the end. From the games till to the and include the paragraph ending same hardware and performance. Yeah. We need like to make it as 2 columns and space 1.5 centimeters space between them. So how to do that? It is from the layout, go to the columns, more columns, choose 2, and this space should be 1.5. Then okay. Yes. Yeah. Go to the step number 4. Apply number bullet to the text from 1 to apply bullet list or number bullet list to this part. Action games. Tell role playing. So from here to here. It is numbered bullet. So go to the home tab and I want this style. Okay, make sure that the numbers are aligned at the left margins so they don't want any indentation here. Already it is selected, so go to the paragraph, make sure that there is no indentation because they want the bullet to be to the margin, so the indentation is 0. And I think there is another format. The list is in a single line with no space, so also remove the spacing. It is single. Okay, they want the 6-point space after the last item. Go to the last item, set the cursor here, go to the paragraph, add after it 6-point space, and that's it. Okay, done. Go to the step number 5. Create and store the following style basing it on the default or normal paragraph style. So we need like to create a new style which is for the subheading. Here we have 2 options, either to go over the subheading as it is a style for the subheadings and set the mouse here. So once you finish creating the style, it will be applied over the subheading, or go to the end of the document and start to create the style, and after that you can apply the style over the subheadings. Because if you set the mouse here, for example, and start to create the style, it will be applied over it. Then you need like to clear the formatting or the style over it. So from the beginning, I prefer to set the mouse cursor over the suitable place. Here in my case, it is over a subhead, or you can go to the end of the document. So go to the styles, go to create a new style. The name of the style is GA subhead. Control C, Control V. Based on default or normal. So it is by default normal, not based on other things. So you can, I will leave it. Okay. Now, it is serif. So serif means Times New Roman for me. So if they said serif, I prefer to use Times New Roman. If they said sans serif, I will use Calibri or Arial. The font size is 20. The alignment is center. Now the enhancement is bold plus italic plus all the letters capital. So go to the format from the font, choose all caps. Okay. Now go to the paragraph and the spacing is single and the space before 0, space after 0. So that's it. Okay. We finished create it. They want to create take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings. Okay, so again go to the subhead, modify, take screenshot for this style. I will take screenshot. Make sure that there is an event that you have based this on the default or normal. Okay. Place it in your evidence. So I will paste it in the evidence. Here. Identify the three subheadings and apply the GA subhead over them. We have three subheading: cloud gaming, video game consoles, and games. So here, apply the subheading here and over here and over here. Just we have three subheadings. Yes. So Times New Roman, C20, center, bold, italic, and no spacing. Fine. Go to the step number 7, locate and move the paragraph. Cloud gaming is a method here. Tell to access content. Access content. Till here. So you have to cut Control X the paragraph from cloud gaming till access content, Control X. And you have to paste it a new paragraph immediately after the heading cloud gaming. So here it should be. Yes. So it is a new paragraph after the subhead cloud gaming. Yeah. Go to the step number 8. Place a cloud shape aligned to the right of the columns and the top of the paragraph. Starting, there are many advantages. So we have to create or to insert cloud shape here. There are many advantages to the top and right. So we have to set the mouse here, go to the insert tab, go to the shapes, and go to the cloud. Make sure here that you save the file as Word file, because if you didn't save it as Word file, the cloud shape will not appear. Okay, so here I will add the shape. I will adjust it, don't worry. Okay, just format the shape so that it's resized. The width should be 5 centimeters. The outlines should be 3 to 4 point thickness, and it should be black. Anyhow, let me adjust here the layout. Now the width 5 centimeters. Make sure that the text is wrapping. Yeah. Yeah, exactly like that. Then now adjust the outline to be black and the thickness 3 to 4. I will make it 3. And the shape fill should be gray and the percentage 25. And add text, right click, add text, cloud gaming, cloud gaming. Okay, should be black and bold and black. Okay, make sure that the text fits within the shape and doesn't touch the border. The complete shape should look like that. Okay. Okay, just make sure it's one word, or sorry, one line. I think it's fine now. Spell the mistakes and make sure that the list is not split over two columns. Let me check the mistakes. Here listed, here simulation, no other mistakes. The list is fine. Here we have widow, one line at the end of the page. Just enter, take it to the next page. I think now is everything is perfect. Just have a look. The list is fine. No widow, no orphan. Everything is fine. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll finish from the board.